Enter the world of organized and efficient kitchen storage with the Egg Storage Box, a practical and versatile solution that goes beyond just keeping your eggs in order. This isn't just a box, it's a game changer for those who value freshness, organization, and the ease of accessing eggs in their daily culinary adventures. Imagine a storage box that not only keeps your eggs secure, but also provides a designated space for each one. The Egg Storage Box is designed with practicality and convenience in mind, offering a comprehensive solution for keeping your eggs fresh and easily accessible. Let's explore the design of this ingenious storage box. It typically features a sturdy and transparent container with individual compartments, each cradling an egg securely. The design ensures that eggs are stored in an orderly manner, reducing the risk of breakage and making it easy to keep track of your egg inventory. Some models even come with a lid, providing an extra layer of protection. Now, let's talk about the practical benefits of the Egg Storage Box. Traditional egg cartons might offer basic protection, but the Egg Storage Box takes it a step further. The individual compartments prevent eggs from knocking against each other, minimizing the risk of breakage and ensuring that each egg stays in its designated spot. It's a small but impactful change that adds a layer of organization to your kitchen routine. Consider the versatility of this storage box. It's not limited to just storing eggs. The transparent design allows you to easily see how many eggs you have left and check their freshness. The box becomes a functional and visual part of your kitchen, allowing you to plan your meals and grocery trips more efficiently. Moreover, the Egg Storage Box is a space-saving marvel. Its compact design ensures that it occupies minimal space in your refrigerator while providing maximum storage capacity. In a world where kitchen real estate is precious, the box becomes a valuable asset, allowing you to make the most of your available space without sacrificing organization. Consider the impact on your daily cooking routine. The Egg Storage Box ensures that you always have fresh eggs on hand, neatly arranged and ready for use. No more searching through a cluttered refrigerator or worrying about the state of your eggs. The box streamlines your cooking process, making it more efficient and enjoyable. Now, let's address the concerns of those who may worry about the cleaning process. The Egg Storage Box is designed to be easy to clean. The smooth surfaces and removable compartments make it a breeze to wash, ensuring that your storage box remains a hygienic and reliable part of your kitchen. I think in summation, the Egg Storage Box is not just a container. It's a practical and efficient solution for keeping your eggs fresh and organized. Its thoughtful design, versatility, and space-saving features make it a must-have for those who appreciate the importance of well-organized kitchen storage. Elevate your kitchen experience with the Egg Storage Box, where freshness meets order and every egg has its place. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.